Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have successfully implemented the filter and utilized the model in the front-end client side. Now, we need to implement that if the information is not present in the database for setting. We need to insert that, and if the information is available in the database, then we need to update that. So right now the information is available and we have implemented the feature of insertion. So whenever we will update information, we are going to insert an other record within the database. But to remedy this, we are going to handle all the information in the SQL. So here you can see this is a filter which will be same as it is. We are going to select information, select all from settings. Here you can see we have this information. Okay, now we are going to count it. Okay, so let's count something. You can count any column like backend logo, and it will return you 1. Okay, what happened if I will delete this record and again count? It returned me 0. So we are going to declare a dynamic variable, declare count db count as int. Okay, default value is 0, and this db count, okay, oops, it is not understanding this, so we are going to use numeric. Is recognize cursor option, declare this. Okay, and varchar 50 yes, sorry, here I forgot this, so I will use numeric is equal 0 and declare this like this, and all the count is saved within this dynamic variable, and we can print that here. Now see, it's returning me the 0. The 0 is coming from this. Now we are going to create another if statement here. If db count is 0 begin end, and use this statement. Else begin and here we will write the update query, update settings, and set information, set backend logo is equal to backend logo, and so on. Information will be implemented as this: 2 3 4 5 6 7. Front-end logo, page title, description, feature image, email, and block count, and all the information is come from here with the same variable name. Feature image, email, and block count, and that's it. Now it will update the information and execute it. So we have successfully meet the criteria. If the information is not available, it will insert, and if the information is available, it will update. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel.